Dari Spangut kinang Shillong ke Lapangab na West Central District yawan tu Shanong ba Shillong haka kalai tadi ujemang aja penreu harin bagra mat kajing sosat hari nigi snem ban siap pendik hagi breu na Assam kibasa marjan Shillong uput na kajingai ke basis pa kilometer na wala pangap sa Shillong kilong kemi berkirang ba kentai bersenrang gra iki kam ki jam padeng kajing banwan ksam skor je kesoka ha Shillong kala pangap kadon West Central support kana tiang constituency hakabau sembut mitrang ba siang bahalang dhar Romi khmat hagi postnem wat udairu ucaman jeng regional committee jeng West Central Hills sector kablathung mat penbe ya kajing yakni put hapdeng ke Meghalaya mat ka Assam ha kani kajing lektur kaladon ru kajing lembup met mat kibreu ka sokol kata ki Pulit kibra khanglat bakin lektur secretariat kat kum kajing thu girang ba kata kisnong kajing sedang pendik kibreu na Assam ga day house name aja apply ter hadu menta kada ko ba pelong ikipai ba ban wantur kadai nama bagi breu na Assam kira juan ban pendik bat pentut ya kinong rep bakin leit thung leit tep haki penthor jongki kawai pat kadau kadai ki jingdon ka polis outpost ka Assam ha ulum penthor jongki hak ba gira dawa bade ban weng no pat ban pendam ru ya GPS line ba wanbu da ka Assam kat bam padep ban penbe ya uput usam harin ki jingwan tu jongki sa Shillong ka soka jila kala kulal ban bu no ya ketem Pulit ha penthor om shu ha pedeng kasnong knang ban ai ki jing yada ya kinong rep kete ketai
Bangi badi Deputy Chief Minister masnya bahalang dekar kagaju urupor by the local MLA jungi kawan latihan konstitusi kajing ekran kalau ke Shah tarna bana kalian ke government ke nado la Shah karena ai kajing senran lang ini kumkinong chongsnong tai pan legram te ai ke baga government kalau ada ai ke asaran ini kumkinong chongsnong tai di kerman skam makan long kumta pada dadai bakam long kumta kumbe ekran menai kador barsnong kan sim degi pat kirai ke bakam teng pelat bani menai kusi
No, like this, the people of Lapangab village and some of the NGOs met me about this Lapangab issues. So there is some things happening for the last few days. So about now it's a time to go for the farmer has it's a time to go to cultivate their land. So there is some disturb from the Karbi side. So about the issue they met me. So we had a very fruitful and good meeting with them. So but I showed them from the government we try to do at our level best to protect our people. Peace should be maintained as usual.
don hangte po control kumadon di kulit jong asa hande ingi ba watang katu ka jakasa di kulit Meghalaya hangte po senong Lapangab ni tede po ing darbar senong kamdon kata ke permanent kam ni kata ke jakasa ke babiang te ke jing don kulit ang tur ke duna ba te bakin lek tur sidu stage po control kamdon mensgi gilik pahara hande kamde pat kum jong kulit Assam kila sa kila song hangtu kila don ke permanent kam joki ngai ba hangtu lomba di ulum jong kador basong Lapangab bro kila set up yu ketu ke permanent kam joki yang tu po pentor Lapangab
tena kalian ke SU hi ni wan ne bat ai jing kersian bukura lah kono guru pom bro na banta ke jing dawa jongki ban yo ka hop ke jongki dawa ke jongki ka de ka ban kong hi ka long ba hadu banta ba sarkar kam le ai hak bai dai put sam bat ka ba ar hi ka long ba hadu banta nak lamot bandai kredit kan kisah pendek di Assam kim Shah yaki bandai kredit kan lada kum kinong song sinong jong kari ke bai ke jong kim yo bandai kredit kita syakirep kirang ke jong ki haja kala jong so sya e bandai ngin kredit kita te nakata kadau nakalian ke SU ke yang dang ba ban ay ke kersan bogura yaki namata ke jinglek dawa jong ki sekretariat namata penyo ya ko hok ke jong ki
katkum kajing ka resolution bang iyo na ka government kila ai ngi ka usuran ba na kaliang ka jongki kinsa pha ya ki force ki ba 24 hour kum ba pha jang ja ki Assam ingi schem ba
kini kinlong kin urlong sisa bat sakawai ro asuran kila ai ba ya ka temporary kam ka badan hapo snong jong ka Meghalaya kin sa shift no sapunthor bat katar bang isngeu ba nakaliang ke jong ni isngeu da midap da jingseu men ba nakaliang ka sarkar kala ai ya ka yakin asuran yakinong snong jong kala pangap dacia bakum urlong kini lempep min mi madan biang sasisin bandawa ya ka hok jong nong jong Lapangab.
It's a very long and clear. Last year, the 144 CRPC has been imposed only for Lapangab. This year, we will get a chef. Amara Yarong.
Thank you. See, from Meghalaya police side, our job is to ensure that the safety and security of our farmers is maintained at any cost. So we are working towards that. We will ensure you that let us go back to our village and start our farming from tomorrow. Yes, sir. So I would request all of you who are here that let us go back. You have already spent a lot of time here and government has listened to all your demands. Necessary instructions have been issued to us. So I would request all of you to let us go back and start our work in fields from tomorrow morning. Thank you.